Hello friends, welcome to Vidya's cooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Today I'm going to be showing you how I prepared keema omelette. This mutton keema omelette can be served as it is, or you can serve it as a side dish for parottas, bread toast, or you can serve it even for just some kushka rice. This is absolutely a yummy dish and everybody in South India prepares this. I've heated a wok on medium flame and added oil. Now, once the oil has reached temperature, I'll be adding finely chopped onions. All the ingredients used in this recipe, friends, and a detailed recipe blog post will be posted on my blog, and all the ingredients used in this recipe will be listed in the description box below this video. You can also click the icon above this video, which will direct you to my blog. In the blog, I've posted a detailed recipe. Now I've added finely chopped ginger, garlic, mint, and coriander. I'll fry all the ingredients till the onion turns transparent. Once the onion has turned transparent, that is when I'll be adding ginger and garlic paste, and I'll also add finely chopped chilies. We'll fry all the ingredients. This recipe can be converted and it can be prepared in many different ways. If you boil peas and add peas to this, it becomes keema matar. Now if you add aloo to this, that is boiled potato or fried potato, it becomes keema aloo. If you add a lot of garlic, it becomes keema lasuni keema or the garlic keema. So you can prepare many different ways and it will taste different all the time. Now here I've added turmeric powder, chili powder and coriander powder. I'll fry all the masalas for a minute's time. Now once I finish frying all the masala for a minute's time, I'll add mutton keema which is washed and reserved. I'll fry it in the masala for 2 more minutes. I've added salt to the keema now. Once I fried it for a minute's time, I've added water and I'll cover and cook the keema on low to medium flame for 10 to 15 minutes. It has to cook, or you can pressure cook it. It's up to you. You can prepare many variations in the same keema. I tend to purchase keema for ball curry or the mutton meatball curry, but here in Bangalore, they add a lot of bones. The butchers, when I go and purchase, they add a lot of bones to the keema. So that's the reason I purchase it in bulk. When I purchase keema in bulk, I prepare masalas like this and I use it for different recipes. Now once the keema has cooked halfway through, I've added garam masala powder and pepper powder. We'll fry the keema and we'll allow it to cook. The moisture is there in the keema, so we'll allow it to cook and the moisture should completely evaporate from the meat. So that is when I prepare all these recipes. You can use the same keema masala and prepare keema upma. I've posted many recipes using the same base, same keema base. So it's up to you. You can prepare many dishes using this base, especially for working people. Now many people are working from home. If you're working from home or you're going to office, it's the same amount of work. So many people tend to prepare many things in bulk. So you can prepare this keema masala in bulk and use it for different recipes. Now once I finish cooking the keema, I've reserved it. I'll start preparing the omelette. I've used 2 eggs for the omelette. I've added some salt to the egg and I'll whisk the egg just slightly. Don't whisk it too much. Just whisk it slightly till the salt has dissolved in the egg, and also heat a tawa on low to medium flame. All the ingredients used in this recipe, friends, will be listed in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. In the blog I posted a detailed recipe. Now once the tawa is nice and hot, I've added oil. The oil should reach temperature. That is when I will add finely chopped onion, finely chopped chilies, coriander. We'll fry the onion till it turns transparent. So here I've added chilies. We'll fry all the ingredients. So I'm just preparing a basic omelette. Now once the onions have fried, I spread the onion in an even layer, then I poured the egg on top of it. We'll spread the egg a little bit. We'll cook it on low to medium flame. Just add more oil or ghee as per your preference. You can serve this dish as it is. You can serve it with some bread toast, with some chapati. It's a very nice side dish. So gently flip the egg once it's cooked on one side. It has to cook on the other side as well. In the middle I place the keema masala and I sprinkle some onion. We'll fold the egg in half and we'll serve the keema egg omelette as hot as possible. You can garnish it with some mint and coriander and also add some pepper powder on top of the eggs. It will give a good flavor and taste. Now I'll gently transfer the egg to the serving plate and we'll serve it as hot as possible. So here goes my keema omelette. You can serve it for chapatis, rotis, kushka rice. It's up to you. Try this recipe and post your comments. If you enjoyed this video recipe, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.